Now Bawumia comes inside to transform all the now from 6.4. Upeja ya de call 18.0. Utie 18.0. Ya demand 6.4. The first year or year 10.4. All free Abemu 2016 CD to dollar ratio was now staggering at a point of what? 18.0. Akufo Addo ne Bawumi aba ye de minor share economy na share Bawumi answer. Economic wizard was started to Tonyama. Na CD no etumi stabilize ya for some time. The only time wa Ghana you see the started say nya politics na wo ye na se nyankopon ti wo mu na nya ntro na wo die na nyankopon ka ho na se wo gi nyankopon di a. The first time when you see this started taking a hit was 2020 when coronavirus started picking up. Why? Borders got shut. Borders got shut. People don't even know say borders are yet to it impacts on the currency. You are using the currency to trade. You are using the currency to do business. Mo sorry, I'm frame economic dear doctor one simple things say yen ko one school ye betra na akire mu boko akire ye nananom mo amabobo tight the parliament ye fro bia o si allowance ye man tax nka ho na Jimmy Sam say because pet adwuma ye de ya share green white black na de pet adwuma na ye koye na wu wi ase ye begiro say Ghana for san come 4 years na fe be di ne so. Mr. Mahama, when it comes to the economy, we beg you. The infrastructure and at least now Akufo Addo is completing what you couldn't complete in 8 years. With all the money you got, you couldn't complete. At least Ghanaians are seeing say tepa ujat si wa wembiye Akufo Addo waba webewie webia matepa 4. University of Ghana Medical Center phase 2 Yankopon Adawroma webie mende ye adwuma. When be din nanum wan fan to V8 said ya wogigi ye tax de to V8 ma sebe mon fan cheme wai won kan chem bia ne ho afo no ye na wo hia bosia wo call World Bank IMF ho se 1 to 2 man ye na wentumi antua man kana wo kire wo call mo no ma boa wa ma directives a wo de be put wo man back together. But say oh your man be na oh ya woni amani na boko se de ekwa IMF ye mba wo ho ye ne wo mmekasa enti de me bisa ne say people don't even know say one for no stagnant. Ya papa Mahama or say economy way is the worst for 30 years. So I wonder why we are not in IMF. I wonder why we have been able to keep the light on for all this while. Professor Lumumba, God bless you for confirming to the whole world, say, Nana Akufo Addo, we thank God because of him. That stupid vocabulary, that wicked, devilish, demonic, satanic party called NDC, occultic believers. Yonko Shien Pengum Fanji brought to Ghana, doom so. It's no more a vocabulary. thank to you, Nana Akufo Addo. Professor Lumumba, God bless you. I hope some of your so-called students in Ghana can say this about our president. According to A+, he rates you highly. So I hope now that you have come to tell the whole Ghana for say, Professor Lumumba, wakachre Ghana for say, nyankopon adawrumenti, and then Nana Akufo Addo government yama vocabulary tantan bi ma me yeka vocabulary kire say word. Kasa ana edin tantan bi ana abefra Ghana kasa na yefre no dum so, and then Nana Akufo Addo adumunti. Sankwasi akasa no yenka ne Ghana bio obi a onte Ghana the onu hu ni say omo private people who do investigations into countries to know say country ni eye na say ye enye sami jemfi neti ho and obogum keke enye Jennifer Queen neti ho and o defended the party keke there be way a typical outside obi a onye Ghana ni ena onu anka se ridi ena anu ya Mr. Mahama woko Nigeria wasi yambo Nigeria papa no yambo na baso because corona no ebebubu wiase amansen ni na ya papa we ba Ghana we be gina sebe ye nuanom nkranfo animu se hey there be akabotwe kra nke corona be Akufo Addo na ebo omode wo he ahwiele. Sack him. This man has no shame. And I blame his handlers. Because onu na show muswo Erikeje. Sabo Erikeje no. Wabetna wa ena Mahama as if say Mahama has never been president before no. Ne lawyer school opeso wi entia. And Erikeje medina kache say enya Mahama ena ehwe ni school. Erikeje sorry ananu chokrodo. This when was the last time I tell say enim PSC about radio so kasa. Na see am be board jinapo echi 1 2 3. One so dimrika betina we asempa one time. One will radio so bio. Me bisa Ghana for eya niam bi wo wa. Mumma yenta se ne besepani koni ahaban yo. Mumma yenta se no besepani koni ahaban. Utie na Solomon Paka ne wan no mu egusu ne de sebi won no somani asoma mu. Me say Mr. Mahama no sanka ye me say kamene na ho anka will take me increment of pay as a former president, sit home and relax. They are made to me my advice, no my advice. They are mean to me my advice, no na me my advice, na me to me baby. But the economy the offer can be saying. How? Me say Professor Lumumba say, and that thanks to Nana Akufo Addo aban, and no ne nhye papa wo de ba yenti. Sankwasi akasa bi na ye ka ne Ghana say dum so, and a free Ghana for dictionary. Na wama NDC nya be ka say, oh dum so Ghana because you are dum light 30 minutes 1 hour. Hey,